Hello everyone. Today I want to show about the village. In the rural and the weather and the farm is very nice. So this is at evening in the rural. This is buffalo and you see the farm. And we go to look sunset. Okay, so now you look buffalo first, and I go to looking sunset. But this is on the way for go to sunset. Yeah. Okay, now we are sitting for sunset near Phnom Krom. Yes, very nice. You see the cloud, you see the sky, you see the good color. And this is a rain season. You see water in the farm. Yeah, this is a real farm, real life. You see the mountain. Yeah, waiting for sunset, but today is no sunset because it's too much cloud. No sunset, we cannot see, but you can see the good place, good color, and here's a good sound from here. All the birds and frogs make sound is good. Yeah.
I read about the new king. He's very interesting.
Yeah. And in USA, no king.
What?
USA, no king.
No, just government.
Just
Every
government.
4 years they elect president.
Yep.
So no royal family. But Thailand has, of course, king.
Yeah. Okay everyone, today I have only this video, short video, but it's very nice. Yeah. Okay, see you next video. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.